and get this going. That's it. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. I got so many requests in my DMs. I had to do this episode for you on this fine Saturday, my darlings. All of you want to know what is my short natural 4C hair routine, and I am here to show you. Now, before I start, I wanted to say a huge thank you to the natural 4C hair community. Oh my God, you guys are amazing, so welcoming. A lot of you sent me DMs, a lot of you sent me different hairstyles I could try, a lot of you just embraced me, and I did not know that there was this big, huge kind of sort of community out there. I just did not know. And might I say, I give you such high regard and respect because you just sat back, loved me, supported me. None of you, and some of you I knew personally, never came to me and said, Fumi, cut your hair. Fumi, go natural. Fumi, you never did that. But when I did decide for myself that I really want to embrace my own hair, you were there to hold my hand. You were there to say, okay, this is what I do. This is what you should do. So thank you very, 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 very much for that. I also have to thank Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN and ENITAN Hair Coach. She is a trichologist that I had the greatest pleasure, honor of meeting on the 19th of July of last year, and she changed my life. Thank you, ENITAN, because she held my hand through this journey, and I could never have ever gotten here without her. It was just, I really, looking back, because we've talked about this, looking back, I think it was just timing because I wanted to go back to my natural hair. I just did not know how I would transition. Good morning, Fumi Nation. Good morning. I'm at one of my favorite places in the world. And you can see our CEO, ENITAN Hair Studio. Girl, what I tell you.
It's
so
12 weeks.
12 weeks, baby.
So we're going to measure to ensure that the new growth we see here, we can see it, the reflection on the end.
I can barely comb the hair.
Very soft.
I can be very soft. I'm treating it with all of the treats. But when I tell you, the hair has grown. It's a hot mess. I'm telling you, and it's thick. And I was thinking last night, when last did my hair was natural? Over 30 years ago. Over 30 years ago. And I'm so happy. A completely new experience. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. And I met her 19th of July was when she had her launch here in London. Her first standalone hair studio, which is fantastic. You've seen it so many times because I go there all the time. And from the 19th of July, August, September, October, November, December, January, I think it was the 2nd or 3rd of January, I cut my hair. So what do you have? In a matter of 6 months, I was able to transition. They are the best for me when it comes to black hair. And she does every type of hair, every texture, also Caucasian, Indian, Asian. But for black hair, girlfriend wins the award, 1,000,000,000%. So let me start by saying I have to wet my hair. My hair is so thick, it's so dense, I have to wet it just to soften it. Once I've wetted, I go in with the shampoo. Go in with any shampoo of your choice because Healthy Hair Studio does not have any shampoo yet. and I just wash out my hair. I do it like 2 or 3 times, and sometimes I'll even put conditioner first in my hair first, because the hair is thick and I want to get all of the product out, and it helps with the conditioner. So I wet the hair first, I put in conditioner, I rinse the conditioner out, and then I go in and I shampoo it, and I just enjoy the time, the me time. I wash my hair out on a weekly basis. That's where I'm at right now.
Still coming so far.
Huh?
Still so coming well.
Well, because it's so big. And then after I've done that, I go in with the fabulous Inches conditioned. Oh my God. And I take my protein defense and I mix the two in a bowl. And she's got beautiful calabash bowls here with a spoon mixing bowl, so you can mix all of that in. Absolutely fabulous. And then I use her comb. Amazing. Because it's the widest tooth comb I have, and it's what works for me, because it really gets through my hair. So I do this in the bathroom, and I just, comb it out. It's therapeutic for me. I'll leave my hair as is and have a bath. I have a bath, wash, scrub my feet and everything with a pumice stone, and then I rinse out the hair, rinse it all out. So once it's all nice and done, you can feel how fabulously soft it is. And that is when I just take a towel and I just let all of the water to the next process. So here we are, darling, and I'm going to take my towel off, and here we have my natural 4C hair. Oh, I love my hair so very much. Let me turn it around for you guys so that you can see. Can you see? Yes, there you go. I don't think I will process my hair ever again. I don't think so. I love it. 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 I cannot tell you how much I just love my hair. It's beyond words. It really is beyond words. So what I do, I go in moisture hold. There is nobody that I have introduced moisture hold to and they have not come back to me and said, Fumi, thank you. Not one. This for the winter, oh my God. When you take it out like so, it melts. It melts, and this has what has conditioned my hair, especially throughout this winter. Yeah. So I rub it together. The hair is short, so I just rub it in. Okay. And maybe I'll just part it into my scalp right here and just rub it in each section. Let me turn around for you guys. And it's already grown. So now what I live and love, because I don't wash my hair every day and your hair can be really brittle and dry, yeah? I take a little bit of my Mighty Moisture every day, yeah? A little bit of that, and believe you me, you will not have to wet your hair in the mornings. Just take a little bit of this. That's it. You see the hair go white. It's okay. It will all melt. If you do this in the mornings, you don't have to wet your hair. Not at all. And the hair, what? It becomes nice and soft in order for you to comb. It is beyond and what? Beyond and amazing. So from there, this is one of the best combs ever. And so what I do is that I comb my hair and I comb everything forward because the hair is thick. So you don't want to hurt yourself. Just look. Oh God. So I comb my hair. And the crown of it as well. And that's what I do in the mornings. And then I go in with a smaller comb and really get it. See how thick it is. Alright darlings, the last but definitely not the least is the deep follicle treatment. When I tell you, if you don't do anything else, get the deep follicle treatment. So what do? I put a little bit onto my hand, yeah? And this is for your edges. I do this every day. Every single day, right there, yeah? And a little bit, but it's all grown in, especially the front. The front now has grown in, as you can see, and I'm very happy about that. So I put all of that in, and ENITAN was fantastic. She said, Fumi, I'm going to give you the derma stamp. I had never ever heard of it in my waking life. The derma stamp is a little stamp that has little needles at the end of it, and you can screw it all the way down and you can screw it all the way out, yeah? Now you should also get the sanitizer spray because you want to make sure that this is cleaned all the time. So I'm going to do that right now so that you can see. So you just do this so that you make sure that everything is sanitized. And then I take a tissue and I wipe, okay? Now, once I put the deep follicle treatment into the edges of my hair, and you can also add it like so, you can take your face rollers. These you can find on Amazon, okay? And what you do, you just massage that into the sides of your hair, the edges that you feel that, oh, they have to grow back. And I do this every evening. And then you have the other one, that's a face roller. This is the most soothing for me. So I just massage that into the hair. There we go. And then I massage it also onto the sides here. After doing that, you take the stamp and I go 0.1. Yep. And you take it and you stamp it in. Does it hurt? No, it pricks. That's the only way I can describe it. And you punch that into the hair. This is what really picked up the edges. This is what picked up my what? It picked up my edges. I was shocked. Okay? I do it like for a minute and then you're done. And then You just wipe it. You can also sanitize. I always sanitize when I'm about to use it, okay? And you put that away. And then I have what? My little comb here. And that picks it out. Is that not cute? And I do that in front because all of this hair is not as long. And so I just pick it out with this little comb that you can get anywhere, I'm sure. And then I just pat it on the sides. Yup. And that is how I've been taking care of my hair. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I don't think I will ever relax my hair again. I don't think so. I think I will always have my hair natural. I think it might be bigger. I will never relax my hair again. And what is amazing also, I don't know whether you guys noticed, I don't blow dry my hair. I just let it dry very naturally, and that is it. Super soft, super duper thick, and I'm like totally happy. I'll turn around again for you guys to see. So when it comes to taking care of my hair, I have not found any other product that is as fantastic when it comes to moisture, when it comes to really, well, okay, for example, which I'm loving, I have no breakage, zero breakage. There's nothing that comes up out of it. It's unbelievable to me, you know. Hair that used to break and I would have the hair in my combs, not anymore. That to me is like, I just feel the most beautiful like this. I really do. The most beautiful like this, and I just don't feel the need for my hair to be processed in any way. Will I still wear wigs? 100% I will wear wigs because I love fashion, I love style, I love to change it up, so I will absolutely do that. But I really feel the most beautiful for a very long, the most beautiful like this. And I like my hair free. I like the freedom of it all. I think it just brings more attention to my face, you know. This is my new hair care routine, and I hope you enjoy. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you sooner than later. And of course, as many of you know, I have a discount code with ENITAN, so don't forget to use that only online for all of your products when you put it in your basket. Okay? And of course, to the natural 4C hair community, thank you for embracing me. Thank you so very much. All of my love, darlings. Mwah.